So what happens when you get yourself a folding mini trampoline? Well, you pack up your rebounder and you take it on the road. Yes, friends, we're gonna go on a destination bounce because I have myself an easy peasy folding mini trampoline. Look at that. It fits perfectly behind the back seat. And I'm going to show you a couple other ways it fits as well. But where are we going? We're going to go to the beach. Look, there it is. There it is. It's happy. Just look at this view. Listen to the waves. Ah, it was so peaceful. But first, I had to rest. And I just took some moment to calm down and lower my heart rate. And you'll see why in a minute. Because it was a pretty long hike out to the water. And look, it works really well for laying down. I was comfortable. Okay, so look, this is how you might be used to seeing a mini trampoline if you're hauling one. It takes up the whole entire back seat. And so I can't take anybody, I can't take bags and all the stuff. But with this one, the legs are removable. And so if I can take off the legs, then I can also fold it up. And this is what makes this one so awesome because I don't know of many that just fold. Like, this is so cool. So look at that. Look how easy it is to take this off. And then I'm just going to lay it out flat and I'm holding with one foot and I just push from the middle and it folds right in half. And it's light enough weight that I can just lift it by myself, carry it, and insert into my car. So here I am if I'm going to continue to put it into the back with my back folded down. It takes up less than half of the width of my car. It's really easy peasy. I can also turn it around and it fits perfectly across the width. And then it also leaves me all of that room. Oh, and here's another way that you can also travel with it is if I was taking up just one of the middle back seats. So I just wanted to show you all these different ways because now it makes it so simple for you to be able to haul and transport and still have plenty of room in your vehicle for your other stuff. Okay, look at this. This, I can't even tell, you can't even tell really good how high that was, and especially in the sand, doing all this hiking in the sand. And then we still got this hill to climb. There were like 3 medium to high intensity grade inclines that we had to keep going up and down to make it out to the coast. But we eventually made it. We were in between one storm and another, so the waves are rather high, but it was also pretty calm, pretty cool, and it was comfortable. Listen to the waves. Like, oh, I love the sound of waves. There they are, they're getting the trampoline down to the beach. They worked really hard to help me carry the trampoline, almost a mile. That's how far we had to hike. So it was a really good workout for all of us. Enjoy the water. Now here comes the workout, and I'm so excited to share this with you. My very first beach bounce. I was so excited to do this. I even found this awesome piece of driftwood to bounce in front of. I waited till there was nobody around, and then these 2 dudes showed up. So they're in the background because they want to be seen. But enjoy. I'm going to let the rest of the workout play out so you can just bounce as you listen to the waves and have yourself a peaceful, relaxing workout. Happy bouncing, friend, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.